Imagine flying a GPS drone that captures smooth aerial videos, follows you automatically, returns home by itself, and weighs so little that in many places you won't even need registration. Sounds expensive? Well, today's drone might surprise you. Welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're checking out a feature-packed 2K GPS foldable drone with camera that's designed for beginners, travelers, and anyone who wants amazing aerial footage without spending a fortune. Let's see if this drone deserves a place in your backpack. The first thing you'll notice is its compact folding design. When folded, it easily fits into a backpack or travel bag, making it perfect for vacations, hiking, camping, and road trips. Even better, it weighs under 249 grams. That lightweight design makes it much easier to carry around. And in some countries, including the US, many recreational drones under 250 grams have fewer registration requirements. Always check your local aviation regulations before flying. Despite the lightweight body, the drone feels surprisingly solid and includes foldable arms, LED lights, and durable brushless motors. Now let's talk about what really matters, the camera. This drone features 2K QHD camera, electronic image stabilization, or EIS, 2-axis mechanical gimbal, 100-degree wide-angle lens, and 90-degree adjustable camera angle. The combination of a mechanical gimbal and electronic stabilization helps reduce vibrations and unwanted shaking. That means smoother video while flying forward, turning, or hovering. Whether you're filming landscapes, beaches, mountains, family vacations, or social media content, you'll get much steadier footage than basic toy drones. The adjustable camera also lets you capture unique perspectives without landing. The drone supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission, allowing you to see what the camera sees in real time on your smartphone. This makes composing shots much easier. Flying becomes more immersive because you're seeing the live aerial view while controlling the aircraft. This is where the drone becomes much smarter than entry-level models. Built-in GPS enables several intelligent flight modes, including auto return to home, follow me, waypoint flight, circle flight, point of interest, and GPS position hold. If signal becomes weak or the battery runs low, auto return home can automatically bring the drone back to its takeoff location, helping reduce the risk of losing it. Follow me mode allows the drone to track your movement, making it easier to film hiking, cycling, or outdoor adventures. Waypoint Flight lets you draw a route on the app, and the drone follows it automatically. Circle Flight creates cinematic orbit shots around a chosen subject. These intelligent modes make professional-looking videos much easier for beginners. If you've never flown a drone before, don't worry. This model includes beginner-friendly features like 1-key takeoff, 1-key landing, altitude hold, optical flow positioning, 3 speed modes, gesture photo, gesture video recording, flight track recording. Altitude hold keeps the drone hovering steadily, making it much easier to control. Optical flow sensors improve low-altitude stability, especially when GPS reception is limited. New pilots can start in slower speed modes and gradually increase speed as confidence grows. Unlike many budget drones that use brushed motors, this model comes with brushless motors. That means more power, quieter operation, better durability, improved efficiency, better wind resistance. Brushless motors generally require less maintenance and provide a smoother flying experience. Battery life can make or break a drone experience. Fortunately, this package includes 2 intelligent batteries, providing up to 45 minutes of total flight time under ideal conditions. Having a second battery means you can keep flying while others are already packing up. More flight time means more opportunities to capture the perfect shot. Using the Companion mobile app, you can access additional features like visual follow, GPS follow, waypoint missions, gesture control, video editing, one-click sharing, horizontal and vertical video modes, flight history. These features make it easy to edit and share content directly to your favorite social media platforms.
Pros: lightweight under 249 grams, GPS auto return home, 2-axis gimbal, electronic image stabilization, 2K camera, 5G FPV transmission, brushless motors. Follow me. Waypoint Flight, Circle Flight, Optical flow positioning, beginner friendly, 2 batteries included, up to 45 minutes flight time.
Things to consider. No drone is perfect. Remember that real-world flight time varies depending on wind, temperature, and flying style, so expect less than the maximum advertised duration. Also, while the camera is stabilized, it records in 2K rather than true 4K, so creators needing the highest resolution may want to compare it with higher-end models. Overall, this drone offers an impressive balance of portability, intelligent GPS features, stabilized video, and beginner-friendly controls. It's a great choice for travelers, first-time drone pilots, outdoor enthusiasts, and content creators who want smooth aerial footage without carrying a large, expensive drone. If you're looking for an affordable GPS drone packed with modern features, this one is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest gadget reviews here on Caring Guy. Have you flown this drone already? Share your experience or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.